Okay, I'm going to dress up this this trout that I have, and I have some tomato marinade vinaigrette that I made, and I have some onions, and I have some lemons, and then I have some peppers, and I also have a little bit of oregano that I'm going to put in there. And basically it's really easy. I'm just going to season it with the salt and pepper, and just what I do is just kind of sprinkle some salt on there inside. I'm going to do it inside and out. Okay, I'm doing a whole fish and some pepper. Make sure you toss this out after you finish because you don't want to cross-contaminate, since I did have my hand in some fish. And just some salt and pepper. Simple ingredients. And then what I'm going to do is stuff it. Stuff it with some onions. So I'm going to put this down for a minute. So I'm going to go ahead and stuff it with some onions. What I want to do, we're going to slice that up just a little bit more. Yeah, and I'm keeping all the bones in there. All the bones are staying in there. It's okay, because when I cook it, I'll just remove the bones. Peppers, and then I'll put some twigs of oregano. We'll go ahead, and that's going to be my stuff. And then there's a cast iron skillet, so I'll show you in my next one, and then I'll show you how to put that in there. And I'm going to put the vinaigrette on there once I get it in there, or you could put it in the oven, toaster oven. Okay, I'll talk to you soon.